Hi guys, welcome to Filament PHP series, and in this episode we are going to cover how to use tabs in Filament PHP. So let's get started. So in previous video we learned how to create the view page, and I have shown you like how to use text entry, image entry and all the elements. So let me go here in my previous project, go to products, click on view. You can see that with the section I have used text entry, image entry and icon entry. But if you have a very long form, then user need to scroll and scroll. So what we are going to do, we just add tabs over here. They can click on by default product info open, they can click on pricing stock, they can directly click from the top media and status. So let's add the tabs with info list. So let me go to my project, and you can see that here we have used the section. Instead of section we have to use the tabs class. Okay, and Mac, I will give any name like just tabs, and then I will just use schema like this. Sorry, not schema, but it will be a tabs function. Okay, and as an array argument they are adding multiple tabs. So first of all I will use tab Mac, and here will be we need to pass the title of tab. So our first title is product info, so I will just say product info. Okay, and then I will use schema, and we need to pass as an array argument all the fields. So that fields is already over here. Just I'm going to copy this all the our text entry and just paste inside the schema. Okay, and let me make it the format properly. Yeah, that's perfect. And here let me add the comma, just save it. Okay, and now let me go back over here, hit refresh. You can see that there is a first tab with the product info, and there is only 50% width, so I will make it like column span full. So let me go and I will use column span full and just save it. Okay, and hit refresh. You can see that now product info, I have just keep still product info section over here. Later I will remove. So then next section is next step we are going to create pricing and stock. So how can we do? So just like this way I will use comma tab column Mac, and the name is pricing and stock. Then again I will use the schema, and as an array argument we need to pass all the text entry. Just copy this, go here and just paste it, make it proper format, save it. Let me go back, hit refresh, and you can see that there is a info like product info, pricing stock. You can see that how easily you can do that. Same way I am going to add another tab for media, column Mac, and give the title like media and status, and use the schema. Same way I'm going to copy this and just paste it over here. Okay, let me make it proper format, just save it. And now let's remove all the sections so it's not going to confuse us. So let me just delete this, just save it. Let me go back over here and hit refresh. Yeah, there is a problem over here. Image entry given must be, something is wrong over here. Yeah, there was an error you can see over here because I just forgot. You can see over here there is still some text over here, so I just need to remove like this. Just delete this, Ctrl Z. Okay, let me properly delete this. Yeah, now just save it. Let me go back over here and hit refresh. You can see that now we have a properly product info, pricing, stock and media and status. So you can see that how easily you can view it with the tabs. If you want to add some icons and all for these three tab, how can you add? Just let me go here and use icon method. Okay, and here we can use the heroic icon. I'm going to just use academic cap, and for pricing and stock I'm going to use let me icon heroic, and let me use currency icon for it. Okay, currency dollar. Same way I will implement for media. So just I will go implement icon method, hero, and I will just call like photo icon like this. Just save it. Let me go here and hit refresh. You can see that there is a properly icon display with the tabs. If you have a counter, for example this stock you want to display like 5 6 something like that, you want to add the badge, then also you can add the badge using the badge method. So like this, and I will put like 10. Just save it. Okay, let me go here and you can see that there is a 10 over here added. By default it shows in the primary color, but if you want to change the badge color you can change it as well. Badge color, and I will just say info, save it, and if I go hit refresh you can see over here that's in the blue color. So that way you can use it. Same way you can see that right now it's just showing in the horizontal way. If you want to display these tabs in vertical way, then also you can do with the vertical function. So just you need to add vertical, save it. Let me go here, and yeah, that's it. You can see that how easily you can use the tabs with info list, and you can display. So you can also create the form with the tabs as well, like this way. So I hope guys you understand how easily you can create the tabs. You can go to the documentation and you can understand like in the deep all the parameters, and you can create the forms and all the things as well. So if you like, this was very basic and simple video that for the starting and for a beginner. So if you like this video, then share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next video guys.